Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the LOONGOSTAR 28 LB's portable twin-tub washing machine and the Elevon QD MI-PWMG-Y1G portable mini washing machine. In this video, we will dive into their features, specifications, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to washing capacity, the LOONGOSTAR offers a significant advantage with its 18 pounds capacity, allowing users to wash larger loads in one go. In contrast, the Elevon has a more compact capacity of just 5.5 pounds, making it suitable for smaller laundry tasks. This difference in capacity can greatly impact your laundry experience, especially if you have larger items or multiple loads to wash. The LOONGOSTAR features a twin tub design, allowing for simultaneous washing and drying, which can save time and increase efficiency. Its larger dimensions provide a more robust build, while the hidden knobs add to its aesthetic appeal. On the other hand, the Elevon is designed for compactness, making it ideal for small spaces. Its single tub design simplifies operation, but limits the amount of laundry you can do at once. The LOONGOSTAR machine comes equipped with multiple wash modes, allowing users to customize their washing experience based on the type of laundry. It also features a built-in drain pump for added convenience. In contrast, the Elevon has a rotary timer controller that makes it easy to operate, but it requires users to monitor water filling, which might not be as convenient for everyone. Each machine has its strengths, catering to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the LOONGOSTAR and Elevon portable washing machines have their unique features and advantages. If you need a larger capacity and more functionality, the LOONGOSTAR may be the better choice. However, if you are looking for a compact and easy-to-use option, the Elevon could be perfect for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.